Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Steak and Shake Rewards Club app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Steak and Shake is a restaurant and rewards app designed to make ordering, paying, and earning rewards easier for its customers. The app allows users to browse the full menu, place pickup or dine-in orders, and earn points on every purchase. Available on both iOS and Android, it's built to enhance the dining experience with faster service and exclusive deals. The app's main feature is the Rewards Club, which lets you collect points that can be redeemed for free food and discounts. You can also find nearby locations, save your favorite orders for quick reordering, and receive personalized offers based on your preferences. The contactless payment option and quick check-in feature make dining even more convenient. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users enjoy how easy it is to place orders and track rewards. The app's interface is simple and user-friendly, and the regular coupons and loyalty bonuses help save money. It's particularly appreciated by frequent Steak and Shake customers for speeding up their visit. However, some users report occasional login issues or slow response times, and mobile ordering may not always sync perfectly with restaurant locations. The reward system, while beneficial, sometimes takes time to update after purchases. In summary, the Steak and Shake app may be worth using if you frequently dine at Steak and Shake and want to earn free meals, save time, and access exclusive offers. However, if you rarely visit or prefer in-person ordering, it might not add much value for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.